The pollution in our rivers at the moment is absolutely shocking, to say the least. Water is at the heart of a sustainable economic and social responsibility. It's for this reason that we as Sika South Africa got involved in this project. The Green Filter project says clean water for all, and I feel that's a basic human right for every single individual in South Africa.
Behind us is the Plankenbrug River, which is one of the most polluted rivers in South Africa. It runs through the Plankenbrug industrial area where a lot of chemical pollution also happens, and further up in the river there's also agricultural and chemical runoff into the river. So it's a river in distress.
There is a bit of life in the river, but otherwise it's dead. And so the need is to try and restore life into that river. So I'm Johnny. I'm Johnny Harris from Isadema Design and Development. We design, develop, implement ecological wastewater treatment systems, of which the Green Filter is one that we're involved in designing and implementing.
The citizens of Stellenbosch and some of the bigger corporates who own property next to the river all were very concerned. It's the municipality and the University of Stellenbosch joined in a partnership to form a collaborative where they can address these problems and incubate ideas to solve them. One of the opportunities that came about was that Wildlands could actually obtain funding from Sika, Karshire and Global Nature Fund to establish a green filter or an eco-machine in South Africa, and Stellenbosch seemed like the ideal place to test one. And the initial testing results were very promising.
It's unfortunate to say that the government is not using its infrastructure spend on projects like this. And that's why companies like ourselves have to get involved with initiatives like the Green Filter project to assist them to ensure that individuals in South Africa have access to clean drinking water.
So we've got a series of 14 different tanks. They're connected in series, one after the other, which gives us up to 14 days of retention time, which means it takes 14 days from the water to flow in to flow out. And we developed this in partnership with John Todd, where we were looking to use nature to clean the rivers and restore the environment in the river. We've included some transparent pipe sections, and so this piece of pipe is very early on in the system, and you can see the very dense algae growth within there, indicative of the high nutrients that are within that cell and within that tank. As you move further down the system, you'll see that the algae growth diminishes, the water quality clears, and the idea being that when the system is fully established and fully operational, then we'll have crystal clear water coming out.
It's Sika Global and Sika South Africa's goal to reduce our energy and water costs by up to 3% per annum per tonne. And it's things like this where we can feel and can say that we've honestly helped to protect the environment and contribute to sustainability here in South Africa. Thank you Wildlands and the Global Nature Fund for allowing Sika to be part of this project.